Why I love hair extensions. From Livicor Hair. The extensions look exactly like my hair. They are so lightweight. I feel less self-conscious compared to when I wear a wig. Easy to install. Style it how you like.